What's up, everyone? How's it going? Let's turn the music down. What's up, Silver? How's it going? Smash the like buttons and subscribe, he says. Van Eye. What's up, bro? How's it going? Shaw. XYO, I just put an update on the channel. Just updated it. Jat B. He says, look at Rory. What's up, Flip Coins? Alex, Atilk, Dennis. Heavy shorting resistance at 100K has to be expected. Yeah, probably. What's up, Patrick? Do you like VeChain? Yeah, VeChain's okay. But yeah, I just looked at XYO. Trying to see if Bitcoin's going to push up here. But yeah, XYO's stuck at the 382. High to the low. It smacked right in. Oh no, it's above now. All right, good to see. It's above the 618, so it just needs to push through a penny here. As long as you're above 9009. If it can push through a penny here, then you'll be bullish on the macro. But it looks good. Nice spike up off of the curl up. But yeah, XYO is going to be a good play. 4x to 4 pennies, good spot to take profit at. And then a 2.7 billion market cap is going to get you a 22x almost at 21 pennies. 2.7 billion. What'd you say, Rari? Yeah, we haven't looked at Rari in a bit. I actually forgot about Rari. Rari is above the 618. It's above the 236, so it's in good shape here. It needs to get over 222, and that'll send it up to be bullish short-term and long-term over 280 to 324 here. But you got to get over 222 here. Not the best looking here, but it did bounce. But the overall price, you can just clearly see it. It's not really doing anything. It's just going sideways here. But once it flips bullish, breakout over 750. I don't know the market cap on Rari. 328 million would take you to $13 and a 6.5, almost a 7x from today to a 786 retracement in a bull market. I guess I need to pull up CoinGecko so I can see. We got 40 people in here. Everyone hit the like button if you will. While I bring up CoinGecko. Let's try to get 100 people in here today. 100 people, 100K Bitcoin. Let me look. Rari is at a 23 million market cap. Almost 50% of the supply. Yeah, it depends on if people are going to buy Rari. I don't know if it's going to hit a new high. So maybe Rari makes a lower high. I don't know. 13x. Maybe it goes a little higher and does a 16x. Coinbase chart here, by the way. Velo popped today. Did it really? BCH update. Let me see. Where's my VeChain? Oh yeah, V-chain's bullish here. It looks just like the Rari chart. It didn't hold up perfectly, but it went sideways and down, and now it's pumping. Let's see. Low to the high on V-chain. Oh, you're back over the 382 here, so you're bullish over 31. Just needs to keep pushing here. 3.9 and 4.2 are your next big targets to watch for resistance. And probably another one here. If we go high to the low, 618 coming into play probably. It's above the 0.5, so your next resistance is 36,618. That would be your breakout point to end this downwards movement. So a big price is 36.8 here. And then V-chain, I don't know what people think V-chain is going to do. But as for the project of V-chain, I have no idea what V-chain does. Price has been down and sideways forever. So once you break over 8.7 here, that downwards is over and you can start moving up. Bullish over 4.2. I would imagine V-chain's pretty heavy, ain't it? Let's see here. Oh yeah, 2.7 billion market cap. All the supplies out. That's good to see. So V-chain to 14.5 pennies here. 786 retracement is a 5.5x. Question is, can it hit a new high? That'd be a decent 24x, but that would be a 46.5 billion market cap. Up to 64 pennies. V-chain. What's up, Alex? He says I sound like a broken record, but P&G disappointed me again today. Did it dump any? April says Velo popped today. You mean Velodrome? I haven't looked at Bitcoin Cash in forever. Bitcoin Cash. Where's our chart? We have two different ones. Let's see which one's the better one. Bitcoin Cash is moving a little bit. It's over the 786 now. Everything's going to move eventually. Mostly everything. There'll be some duds. Yeah, you're over the 786, the 236 here, so you look good as long as you're over 464 here. This thing's bullish. And then if this one's going to hit the new high, which it's almost there, 169% move to a 25 billion market cap. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, it's getting stuck right now. We see this a lot lately, right to the high-low 618 retracement. So 497 it needs to break through, and then it can move up. We're up to 50 people. Velo. I guess you mean Velodrome, huh? We'll take a peek at both, I guess. We'll see which one's moving. If you mean Velo, I guess it did. It's still above the 0.5, still getting stuck at the 618 at 11. But you can clearly see it's curling up here. It's holding the uptrend. Still in a good spot. We're looking for a move like this once again to make a higher high. And that would be about a 4.5x to 46 potentially, 1272. So once it starts to move, we'll get this thing to come climb its way up here. But yeah, she's trying to move, but ultimately it's still pretty much in the same spot. Yeah, it's right below the 382 here. So once you get over that 618, it'll also be the 382 and you'll be bullish. That's why it's getting stuck here. But it doesn't look bad. Pretty much the flat top with the higher lows. That's very bullish. Only a matter of time before Velo starts to move here. What's up, no YB? What is DGen doing? Nothing. XRP and Dogecoin are still bullish as hell right now. DGen. Yeah, DGen's still holding up. It's not doing anything from the last couple of times we looked at it. As long as you're over 17.8 here, the 618, you're holding good. Yeah, it's holding up strong. 17 is your support, 31 or 3.1, 3 pennies is your price to beat. But very good that it got over the 618 there. DGen to the new high, 2.7 billion market cap on 9x up to 16 pennies. He says, please, Myro for D. Let's see why PNG is disappointing. Because it didn't move. Yeah, it's not doing anything. It's still in the same exact spot. It's still holding up. It didn't stay down, so that's good. Yeah, it's just a waiting game. You got to be patient. Myro. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just did a Myro update on the channel too. Why'd that not pop up? Oh no. Are we down? Myro. Oh no, the 382 did not hold. Even though it's coming down, the 382 did not hold at 12.8. It's still in really good shape here. It looks like it's coming down to make another higher low at 9.5 here. So just hold your nose. It's going to drop another 19% potentially. But it's holding structure here. So as long as you hold that drop, it is over the 382 still at 1.1. So any lower than 1.1, 1.11, then it is going to drop all the way down. But it's trying to stay bullish where it is right now. Which if it holds up here, that could be good. You're slowly curling up here and that could hold and then you get a nice bounce out of here. Got to get back over 12.8 and then break out over 20.5. But other than that, it's making higher highs, higher lows. The overall macro chart, if you're just holding, it looks good here. Nothing to worry about. And Myro to the new high, 77, 78 pennies is a 800 million or 780 million market cap. 6.5x, and if you think Myro's going to hit $1 billion, that would be $1, of course, and then $1.50 would be 1.5 billion. And that'd be a good, decent 13.5x on Myro. But it looks good where it is. Thoughts on Jasmy. Jasmy's going to $1. How's shipping doing? 30 cents on Jasmy's a good target to take profit. It is the 618 retracement, and then if it goes up to $1, yeah, shipping's not doing anything. It's still completely stuck. Stuck right at the trend and the 382 and pulled back. Good initial move, but it's just stuck. It has to get over that to be bullish. Not only bullish, but you'd break back above this trend that is now resistance here. So a break over 009, then shipping is going to be in real good shape. And then shipping, low market cap Coinbase coin. If it only comes up to 5 pennies, that could be a real good target to watch in the bull run if you're holding. 7.5x from where it is today. But if you think it's going to hit near $1 billion, then that's a pretty decent move for something like shipping. New high at 41 for a 900 million, close to $1 billion market cap is a 62x. I don't think anyone knows about shipping. If shipping does a 60x, then we're good to go. It's on Elastos. We haven't looked at that in forever. Yeah, Alien Base, I was just about to do an update on ALB, but I figured I would just start the stream early. But Alien Base, we've been pointing this out in the live streams that it's bullish, and it's breaking out now. From one bullish setup, pumped, another bullish setup over the 1618 support at 30, and now she's starting to move. Next stop for Alien Base is potentially the 2272, 73 pennies, and an 80% spike up here. But yeah, ALB looks good. I do not remember the last time we looked at Elastos. I don't even know if I have a chart for it. We have a KuCoin chart. Yeah, it looks like the rest of the market pretty much. It's just down here doing nothing. It's got these little spikes to the upside, but ultimately it's going sideways. It is above the 382, so that is good. The only other thing we could really do with it is go... We'll see which high. It looks like we looked at this recently. It is up 20%. Let's go to this high. Let's see. Yeah, it's getting stuck right at the 236, so it has to get over 223 to confirm the bottom is in here. It is macro bullish over 188. But until it breaks over that price there, just pull that back up. Then once it gets over 324, hell, I'd say this thing's gonna be really bullish over the 786 at 477. Look how many times it got stuck here. So once you get over that price, that's when you'll have the top being put in probably. New high on Elastos here is going to take you up to 1460, potentially 1272, 327 million market cap. If the numbers are still correct, 6.5x, 700 million market cap, 15x to $32. Are we still live? Damn, we got 64 people in here. We're neck and neck with X. How's everyone doing over on Twitter? Pop in and say hello. God First says, can you do Steam Exchange? What is that? Do you think Swift is going to start its uptrend soon? Swift coin. That's still in the same spot. It's not doing anything. Just like the rest of things, it's just going sideways here. To answer that, we'll simply draw. It is above the 618 there. Next big target is 4004. But high to the low, yeah, you're getting stuck right at the 382. So to be bullish, it needs to get over 3.9 to start moving up. You're at 3.3, so once you get over 3.9, it'll be bullish to start pushing. And then this one to a 1618 retracement, 358 million market cap is a 12x to 4 pennies. I actually don't know where Swift is going to end up. If you think it's going to hit a $1.8 billion market cap, which is probably way too high, 63x to 20.5 cents there. I don't think that's going to happen. That's your moonshot gamble on Swift Coin. But who knows? No one knows what these things are going to hit, what's going to be the big winners. But how's everyone doing today? Yeah, someone asked if Dogecoin is still bullish. Yes, it is. What is Steam Exchange? I don't know what that is. Is that a coin? Steam? Steamboat Willie? Is this what you mean? Or is this something else? Are we still live? Can you guys hear me? CoinMarketCap saying it's BTC season. Yeah, as long as the dominance is up and Bitcoin's going, there's nothing else to see here. I don't know if this is what you're talking about, but this is doing nothing right now. Getting stuck right at the 236. It needs to get over 22 to confirm the bottom. Bullish over 32. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, I don't know if that's it or not. There's no one chatting, or I'm behind. What are we pushing at? Bitcoin still looks extremely bullish here. Yeah, this thing's about to hit 100K. 1 minute candles. Just did a double bottom with a higher low. Now it's going to the moon. Yeah, I agree with that, Dennis. I think it needs to hit 100K, maybe go a little bit above. It needs to hit that mark. That way everyone can short it, and then it'll start pulling back. And then we can finally kick everything else off. Man, if we hit 100K now, the market's probably ahead of its time right now. The fact that we made a new high before the halving and now before the end of the year, 100K. We may start earlier than spring. I don't know. ICP. Damn it. Yeah, did you see they listed Floki? Where is that, on Coinbase? I saw it. Coinbase or Crypto.com listed Floki. I think it was Coinbase. Dude, ICP on the 1 minute's following Bitcoin. Or it's ahead. Let's see, ICP. I haven't looked at ICP in a minute. But it appears to be doing nothing at the moment. It still has that flat structure that we see on everything. The little flat curled up structure. Where it just made a low, but it's curling up. getting stuck. It's above the 3-2, so the price to beat is the macro 236, it looks like, but it's not doing anything right now. But yeah, it looks good here. It's simply consolidating, going sideways, high low above this 3-2 at 950, so she's bullish. Once she gets over 1280, it can start breaking to the upside and it'll get it over to the 236, and then bullish over 40. And ICP, I don't know what people say ICP is going to hit. There's probably a better chart. Could be a short volatile cycle for alts due to being ahead of schedule. We'll see what happens. Watching from work. I appreciate that. Prime if possible. Yeah, what if we get like 2 alt seasons? Is that possible? But yeah, ICP here, 0.5 retracement, 42 billion market cap, 8.5x, close to 100 billion market cap is going to give you a 19, maybe a 20x to 200. Honestly, don't know if it's going to go higher than that. Is ICP going to hit a 300 billion market cap? That's where DOGE is headed to. Or 64x. I don't know if that's possible. Do enough people know about ICP? Let's see. Yeah, we haven't looked at Prime in a minute. Prime on Coinbase. What the hell is going on with this chart? I don't know why that was moved. Now I don't know if that's correct. Looks like the rest of the market hit that last low, curled up. But I don't know if this market cap is correct on Prime. Let's see here. High to the low on Prime. Let's pull this over so we can see. Yeah, it needs to get back over 920 to be bullish, and then of course the 0.5 and 618 at 1414 to confirm this move down is over. But it looks like everything else here. And then Prime to a 3 billion market cap. I don't know what the market cap is now. Let's see here. Hell, I don't even know what the market cap of ICP is. Computer's being slow today. Alright, ICP's at a 5 billion market cap almost. Echelon Prime, almost a 400 million market cap. So yeah, it can hit 3 billion. A little over an 8x on Prime to 63 for a 3 billion market cap. What else we say? Can you look at Velodrome? Yeah, we just looked at Velodrome. Everts. Velodrome's not doing anything. It's still in the same spot. It's in a good spot. Held over the 0.5. It's been holding the macro uptrend forever. Needs to break over the 618 at 11.3 here to kick it off and be bullish. High to the low. You can see it's also the 382. So that's your big price to beat, is getting over this 11.3. But it looks good. The pretty much flat top, and then the higher lows here. Very bullish setup. It's in a real good spot here for Velodrome. It moved up a spec since we looked at it 5 minutes ago. But Velo, 800 million market cap, a 10x to $1. Lon says buy Bitcoin, XRP, Arrow, Render, Strawberry, AI, and Nut Meme Coin. Never heard of that one. ICP is underrated. It's the best tech in crypto. Sad this coin is so low. What is Kryptonite? What is the ticker for that one? What you think of SHX? What's up, Robert? Yeah, we cover SHX all the time. What is it doing? It's been a minute since we looked at it. Oh, she's pushing up. It's been holding the 1618 here for a very long time, and now it's finally running. So right now the price to beat on Stronghold is 009. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, you're above the 618, so this downwards move is officially over as long as you can stay over 7.8 here. Stay over 7.8, you're in good shape. Break over 9. Let's get that off. But if it breaks over 9 here and then breaks these highs here, which the downtrend is clearly broken, this thing will be in real good shape. So another 15% move to get up to that. And that should send you up to the 2618 at a penny and a half. 87% move potentially in play right now. But yeah, Stronghold looks good here. It's moving. Stronghold to an 800 million market cap, 880, 16 top of the fib here would be a 20x. More conservative target from where it is right now would be an 8x to a 354 million, 6.5 pennies. But she looks good there. You've been in Stronghold since 304, really? Yeah, she's moving here. Just watch those prices and see where this thing ends up going. But yeah, it's bullish right now. 6 million coins, damn. LCX is looking good today. Kryptonite. I think I remember that one. I haven't looked at that in forever, if that's what I'm thinking of. Krypton. I don't see a chart for this one. Total value lock. No. Oh, here we go. This one? Damn. It's on the SEI ecosystem. Okay. Doesn't look like a bad chart. Just let me pull this up real quick. We're at 60 people here. Let's get more people in here. Let's see here. Kryptonite. This thing is sitting at a 7 million market cap right now. Let's see. $7 million market cap. So is this thing going to pump when SEI pumps? 786 retracement to 28. It's going to give you almost a 15x, 14.5x. What is that? 28. 28. Someone let us know if Bitcoin breaks through 100K. Oh, damn, I pushed the wrong thing. What did I say? 28 cents from a 7 million market cap. Yeah, that would be 100 million. So that's a big move. $618 retracement to 13 is a 7x. 13, 14 pennies here. But right now it doesn't look bad. It's doing the rest of the market. It's just going sideways at the moment. Weekly chart, by the way. And then the low to the high. Yeah, perfect 618 retracement. It bounced. It's back over the 0.5. But ultimately it's going sideways here. You have to get over the macro 236 to confirm the bottom end. 2.7 and then bullish over 5 pennies. Imagine QNT half the price of Bitcoin. You think QNT is going to go that high? We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that. Pal AI. Pal AI, he says. I appreciate the 5. What is this one on? $129 million market cap. Oh, nice. They got over 88% of the coins in circulation. Let's see what the chart looks like. Oh, this thing's holding up. High to the low, it's above the 236. Pal AI. Yeah. It seems to be respecting the levels here. It looks like once you break over 35.5 here, that's going to be bullish at that point. But stuck right at the 382 at 20, but as long as you're at 14, 20 is the price to beat. And then where's this thing going to go? Oh, not a bad move. 11x to 165, new high on this little chart we have. Hold on, I gotta check my phone. Something's beeping. All right, PAL AI is down 10%, but we just went over those. So if we can make it to $1.65. Let's see here. So from where it is right now, 129 million market cap up to $1.65 is a $1.4 billion market cap. We'll go ahead and write that on here so we'll have the chart. Excuse me. So we'll have the chart. So yeah, that's a good target for the market cap it has right now. If it's going to be something and run. 786 retracement to 52.5 is going to give you a 3.5x. But yeah, I appreciate the 5. Damn. But it respects the levels here, so I like that. It looks good here. Let me pull that up just a hair. There we go. All right, it's more like $1.70. But it does look like the bottom's in. Is Q&T going to explode? What's up, Aaron? Pazu. Q&T going to explode. At some point it will. Yeah, someone asked for Jasmine a long time ago. I know there's other thing you asked for, but oh yeah, here's Q&T. Q&T has to get over our red box of resistance here. Got stuck right at it here. I believe that was high to low 618 up to the 382, so 100 up to 105. Once we get over this, we're good, we're in good shape. Then bullish over 140. And officially confirmed new high, or an uptrend at least, over 188. But yeah, the bottom's in for Q&T. It looks good here. It's just simply getting stuck. So that's the reason for our red box there. But you say the high target we have here on Q&T is, of course, 2,276, 27 billion market cap, and a 25x from today. I don't know if it's going to go higher than that. I know I've seen people say 5,000. But it's not exploding right now. AOS and XCN to the moon. Yeah, XCN's still waiting for me. Cosmos is pushing. Yeah, I updated Elon this morning. It's coming back down. Shiba's about to pump. It's in a bullish pattern. Yeah, whoever asked for Jasmine earlier, Jasmine's in a real good spot here. It broke the downtrend. It's back testing it perfectly as support. And once it breaks over, what was the number? 2.3. What are we at? 1.9. High to the low. Yeah, 2.3. You're bullish. Once you get over 3 pennies, it's going to send the price up to 5. And we should get a decent run. 157% on the next leg up. But yeah, Jasmine, 618 retracement, 14 billion market cap, 30.5 cents. That's where most people are probably going to end up taking profit. You can see that's a 15, almost a 16x. And then a 50 billion market cap is a 55, 56x up to $1.09 and a 50 billion market cap. That's my target for Jasmy, for whoever asked it earlier. But I would imagine XCN's not doing anything still. Yeah, XCN's still dead down here. It's not doing anything. Has not changed in forever. She's waiting. Yeah, if you ever wanted to buy XCN, now's the time if you're not in on it. Once it gets over 18, she's bullish. And like everything else we've seen sitting here like this, there's a spike up. A nice, decent spike up. So that's probably, you know, getting ready to happen on XCN here at any moment. Can Near hit $40? What is going on with Near? She's holding over 554, so she's bullish short term here. Just broke the downtrend. Looks like Jasmy got stuck right at the 618. $40, yeah, that's our target. $47, the 1272 new high would give it a 57 billion market cap. And 8.5x. Let me see, what is the situation with Near protocol? Oh damn, this thing's almost at a 7 billion market cap. All the coins are in circulation, so yeah, it'll hit that target. If it doesn't, then you're looking around 20 bucks for about a 3.5, 4x. Maybe a slightly higher high. But yeah, I like that target. We got Solon for 279 Canadian. He says PNG GST spell token, please. He wants 3 for the price of 1. I appreciate that. PNG is not doing anything. I can simply tell you that without going to the chart. As long as you're over 2.1, it's holding support for the last couple of months. It looks good. And it needs to break over 30 to confirm the breakout of the bullish pattern, but it's doing nothing at all. Spell token and GST. Spell left me already. Spell. Yeah, Spell was just like XCN here. It had its spike. It's in a really good spot because it broke over the once uptrend, turned resistance, and now it's holding. So Spell's in a good spot here. It needs to break over 9.6 and confirm the macro bottom. Sitting right over the 382 at 7. So as long as you're over 7.0, you're good. You're at 7.79 at the moment. But it's in a real good spot here. Then once you break over that, bullish over 1.8. But the reason we like Spell, I say this all the time like a broken record. 0.5 retracement if it only comes up to 0.03 is a good little 4x. 0.05, good spots to take profit, is a 6.5x, almost a 7x. And then if it hits a penny, 1.5 billion market cap for a 14x. But this one already woke up and broke over the resistance it needed to break over, and it's bullish over that price. You talking about, Willis? What's that noise? No, we just looked at PNG. PNG's doing nothing unless you're looking at the 1 minute time frame. Let's see here. But GST is another one that we're watching. Coinbase Play. Same thing with same thing as Spell. It just woke up and it started running. Got over our first 236, so short term bottom is in as long as you're over 1.9. 2 pennies pretty much. Bullish over 2.8. And then Spell or GST here is another good one with a lot of good targets. If it only does a 382 retracement where it got stuck last time, that is a 5.5x to 1.2, 12 pennies. 0.5 retracement to 28 is a 13.5x, and then a 618 retracement to 30x. $1.4 billion market cap to 65. But we're right here on the bull market almost, so a lot of good spots to watch and take profit on this thing. But yeah, I appreciate the 279. Patrick says cup and handle forming on Jasmine. It's got a very large cup and handle pattern. Pointed that out in the last update. What time frame are you looking on? Damn. Bitcoin's just not going to make it to 100K, is it? But yeah, I pointed this one out in the last update. Potential very large cup and handle pattern here. If I can draw this without it messing up. So that's macro bullish. You talking about right here? Yeah, I guess you could say that. Let's see here. We got 66 people in here. We're still tied up. We're dead even YouTube and Twitter. Where's all the YouTube people at? Working? He says on the 7-day, a weekly chart. Yeah, it looks good. Jasmine's in a good spot here. Getting ready to probably start moving. M says, can you chart ASM? Yeah, I believe we looked at ASM the other day on the live stream. ASM. Yeah, ASM's not looking bad here. Same kind of structure. It pumped. And now it pulled back in a very bullish falling wedge bull flag pattern here. So if it stays above the 382 inside this pattern, I need to get this damn marker off. Then could have a decent little run soon. 117% move. Or a little 40% move to 13. But yeah, it looks good here as long as you're over the 382. Inside that pattern off of the strong move, it looks like it's about to go. 40% spike loading. It's in the loading stages right now. ASM to a 1 billion market cap, 1272, 69, 70 cents here. Would be about a 23x almost from today. Still pretty new at charting. Yeah, it takes a while. I still learn every day. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I got both of the super chats. But yeah, everyone in here, hit the like button if you will. Did you guys answer the poll? Oh damn, we're back below 99K. It was a good try, but maybe tomorrow. What, today's Friday, so maybe not tomorrow. We'll see. Oh, she's steady climbing. Just a steady upwards climb here. Nothing bearish about it. It looks like it's going to break 100K soon. Halfway to our target. 200K BTC off the measured move. SCI, someone said, I believe. Is SCI going to be a thing? I saw something on Twitter about SUI. SUI had some partnerships or something. Someone was tweeting about it. The big influencers like SUI. And that's just like I remember from last cycle when the big influencers talked about Axie, they talked about Solana, and they were the big winners. Excuse me. So down below the 0.5, but it broke out of this box here. Not the box, the flag, and it's holding as support. But you said price targets. SCI is the one we have. Excuse me, damn. I'm gonna have to find some caffeine. Yeah, I don't know where this one's gonna end up. Let me go look. I don't know if I've looked at this one when looking at the coins situation that I've been doing lately, because it all depends on how many coins they have out, when they're going to release coins, which is a hassle to look through. The market cap it has now. If they're not going to release tokens this next year, then you're good to go. All right, they're at a 2 billion market cap already. 2 billion, almost half the supply out, 42%. Like I said, if they don't release any more tokens, then they're set at a 2 billion, I said. Yeah, it's going to easily hit 6. It'll probably hit this one. So maybe a good target is 340, 337, 340. That's a 7x. 36 billion market cap. I don't know, SCI could be a big player this cycle. It is a new coin. Newer coins tend to perform better. So $10, 36 billion market cap, and a 20x maybe. From the 2 billion it's at now. I don't know, what's the talk of the town? What do people think SCI is going to hit? Too many sell walls at 99.7, really? I have no idea. I guess we're going to find out after this cycle. Yeah, where's my Bitstamp chart? But if you haven't seen my Bitstamp chart here, which they got these new now, they got these little stars on the charts now, and you just click on it and it tells you some facts and prices to watch. Thought that was crazy they added that. But yeah, we're moving. But just like last time, this is last time where we had the double top. So we ran up from the halving, topped, pulled back, and topped one more time, and that was all she wrote to the bear market. This is the monthly Bitcoin candles, by the way. But we went over this many times. I don't know if we've gone over all the live streams, but everything's mapped out here. A lot of things from the past match up perfectly as to how long in between the bottoms to the halvings, from the halvings to the highs, to the highs to the lows. And it doesn't vary in much degree at all. So we have it mapped out here. So if we're earlier, we're earlier. We'll just have to adjust the chart here. But going by the past, from the halving to the highs, 19 bars, 18 bars last time. So we just went from 17 bars, 18 bars, and then now just to average it out, 19 bars. So that puts the top of the market all the way out in November of next year. November of 2025. So what I was trying to say is, what if we have, this time we had a double top, maybe we have a triple top somehow. And this red line here is, of course, 180K. So I think 180 to 200K is the target. But you can already see it's different because every halving, this thing just goes straight up. Now we went straight sideways, and now we're starting to go up. So we're just going to go straight up to it, hit it, and that's it. And that's all she wrote. Or, like I said, is it potentially just going to grind its way up? Top, pull back, one last top, and then that's it. You get the idea. Not perfect there, but all the way out into November. So along the lines of this, but stretched out here to where we hit the 200K, 180K, 200K, we pull back again, and then one last top, and then we go down. Yeah, no one would expect a triple top. That would be crazy, wouldn't it? But we're going to leave this here and see what happens, because, I mean, it's all mapped out perfectly. Especially the, what was it? Yeah, it's 12 bars every time from the cycle top to the bear market low bottom. 12 bars every time. So that's the reason we have it mapped out here. So if it's 19 bars, but it works out because the reason I like this chart is because the halving to the new high, we mapped it out. We just, we went, I already showed you guys 17, 18, 19 bars. So that drags it out a little bit longer. So maybe that does leave room for a double top, triple top. But then if you take the exact number of 12 bars from the high, the green line here, high to the red to the low, that puts the low of the market in November of 2026. So potentially the end of the bear market's in November of 2026. And then from the low to the new halving, which you can go look this up, is in April of 2028, 17 bars again. So it matched up perfectly from what we did on the chart here. So I thought that was really crazy how it's 17 bars from the low to the halving. April of 2028. So until this changes, I'm going with this. Even though we are early. Source says hit the like buttons. We're just gonna leave that on the screen. Why did I invest in that stupid Chill Guy? I saw they put Chill Guy on Crypto.com app. Saw that this morning. It's getting listed on exchanges. The top is in. Did you lose money on it? We're still neck and neck, tied up with Twitter, 30 and 30. But yeah, what do you guys think about the Bitcoin chart here? You think this mapped out? Or is it going to change this cycle? I mean, we've already seen the change, the high before the halving and this here. We didn't go up after the halving. We just went completely sideways. Oh, the other thing, let me see if I can find it. I think it's the rainbow RSI. I don't know why I don't favorite that. Is it the rainbow adaptive RSI? Let's see. Yeah, it's this one here. You can clearly see we're in the bull market, because every time this rainbow RSI after the halving, it gets wider and it turns green. It goes from yellow to green and gets wider, and that's the bull market. And you can see this time it went from yellow, like tight yellow here, way before the halving, and turned green, and got this large gap here, and it's still gapping up right now. So we have clearly started way before we should have. And you can see every time it goes flat up here at the top. When the top is in, it gets narrow. So up at this range here. So we're not quite there yet. Still got some room to go up and over. Still has a lot of room on our chart, but we started early, so we'll see what happens. But just another thing to kind of look at. Kind of indicates where we are. XLM don't want to stop. Yeah, XLM and XRP and DOGE are all bullish right now. Should have put our money in those, huh? What's up, Joseph? He says $4.99. I appreciate that. Can we look at Toshi and McCade on base? Yes, we can. I appreciate the 5. First time over to Deck Screener. I'm trying to get Deck Screener open. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take out CoinGecko for a moment. It's just slowing the computer down. Toshi and McCade on base, he says. Yeah, I'm surprised we got over an hour in before someone asked for a Deck Screener Gamble coin. That's a first. Maybe we will hit 100 people in here today. Did I say that right? Toshi on base. Not a bad looking chart once we get this up and running right. 112 million market cap. Just zoom this baby out just so we can see everything. All right. High to the low on Toshi. It's above the 3.2, so you're bullish over 222 here. It just hit the 618. It's below the 0.5, but as long as you stay over this, you see all the support in the past. Resistance, resistance, now support. So as long as you stay over 2.2, it's in good shape here. It's curling up, higher highs, higher lows. Not a bad looking chart. Toshi, if it's going to make a new high, which it probably will, not bad. 4.5x, over a 4.5x. And we'll leave this here so it'll load in some candles for you. Damn, 470,000 holders. Wow. McCade on base. I would imagine you mean this one, the older one. Medicaid. Is that what it is? Yeah, is this it? I don't know what I can draw on here. I don't think I want to use that scam wick. Yeah, if we don't use the scam wick, it got stuck right at the 1618, high, low. Yeah, once it broke over the 786. Doesn't look bad. It's going sideways right now. And you could even argue it's a little more bullish than you think. Yeah. A little strong move up and then consolidating in a triangle pattern. So it should start moving up. And then what do we have here? Yeah, we'll do another one here in a moment, but if it holds up, potential next target is 3 pennies, 150% move. Yeah, sitting right on the 3.2 at 128. As long as you're above 128, well, if I can get it to stay. Yeah, as long as you're above that, low, high, it's bullish here. I don't think anything's really going to change if we pull it to the 236. Yeah, if you pull it all the way down to here, low to the high, you're still sitting above the 236 at 11.6. So either way you slice it, this thing looks good right now for a move up. Not bad. I appreciate the 5. ICP is going to run here shortly. What's up, Het? ICP. Yeah, we just looked at ICP. Yeah, she's pushing right now. Like I said, we looked at it earlier. High to the low, you're above the 382. You got to push through 1109 here, 11, and then it'll continue your run. This is where you got stuck last time. But it doesn't look bad. Nice little W pattern, double bottom, curled up. But it looks like everything else that was in here just kind of sleeping, going sideways. And she's moving now, so she's probably going to have a good, decent spike up. So yeah, I guess you're right. She's gunning for that 236 here. So if you break over that one level, look for about a 35% spike up to 14.4 to try to get over that. Slowly, everything's starting to wake up. What's up, Matthew? He says scam ass, BS, degen garbage. What happened? Matthew seems like he's upset. Yeah, you guys keep saying PNG's moving, but it's not doing anything, is it? Is it moving up? Where's AVAX? Damn, where's my AVAX chart? Oh, there it is. Yeah, AVAX is pumping. Looks just like ICP, and ICP is like right in here. It's about to break. It looks just like ICP. So yeah, ICP is about to run. Everyone pile into ICP while you can. But yeah, AVAX is pumping. Next big target is 50. And if I get this to move in another 26%. What's going to happen if Bitcoin pushes over 100K and just keeps going? Will it drag the rest of the market up with it? Even though no one's buying into the alt right now. Yeah, you're over the 618 high to the low, so this thing's in good shape right now. As long as you're over 39.5. Oh, let me get this other indicator off. Yeah, the market's not looking too bad right now. And we're not even in alt season. But if AVAX and all of the heavy coins start to run, just like XRP, XLM, Dogecoin, maybe it'll drag stuff like PNG up with it. Another huge run before alt season starts. Yeah, PNG's moving a little bit, but overall it's still just holding up. Let me see. Yeah, once you get over that 1,414, you're bullish, and that's the breakout point. Still just waiting. Well, PNG last time it was in a bullish pattern, a much smaller one that is. It had a decent run, almost a 10x. So this is the same thing here, almost a 10x on the measured move out of this one here, if it's going to play out. But how high can it go? I do not know. Damn it. All the coins in circulation from my understanding. So maybe it does a 20x and hits $1 billion market cap. $4.95, $5. That's the target we're looking at. 20x on top of the, what, 70x it already did from the bottom. But yeah, those are the two targets, 220 for a 10x, or it's going to do a 20x to a 1 billion and do about $5. Damn, we're dead even still. 33 on Twitter and YouTube. Everyone on Twitter, if you like the content here, go hit the little heart button. I don't think they have a like button, it's just a heart. Are we moving? Damn it. Yeah, Caspa's still in a good spot. Nah, she's trying, but nothing's happening. She's going sideways now. On the 1 minute. All right, give me 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Just hang tight, everyone. Let's see if we can get some more people coming in here. Everyone hit it, like it, share it. Hit the notification bell. Maybe that'll wake the algorithm up. And it'll push the live stream out to more people. Still waiting to get my first person in here being a troll so we can ban them. But I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Yeah, I guess everyone's at work. There's no one here. Yeah, Bitcoin's just not trying hard enough. What's ETH doing? Yeah, the rest of the market's following ETH here. Stuck at resistance. Nice little pump up from the dead. Yeah, Matthew, you never answered. Are you okay? What did we not look at? We looked at, oh, I haven't looked at well. Oh, well, still holding up. Still holding the 618. Yeah, it's kind of dead in here. I may end the stream and stream again later. He's getting drunk, he says. Yeah, what is the... Dominance is still at 60%. He says, can you look at DGen? Yeah, we looked at it earlier. It's still holding up. It's not doing anything. The overall chart looks good. It's sitting on the 618. It did pull back, but, you know, to be expected here. As long as you're over 17.8 here, it's in good shape here. %70 move if it bounces back up. But yeah, it's holding. Just got to be patient with it. Just got to be patient. Had a nice little run. And we're still holding steady at 63 people. We've only had one DGen or two DGen plays asked for. Going over to Twitter to see what it looks like. ALGO. Yeah, all the heavy caps are pumping right now. Damn, it's lonely. Over here on Twitter, there's 54 views, 32 views at the moment, no hearts. No likes. Can't wait till the market starts moving and everyone's bullish. What's up, Shad? Yeah, I was looking over at Twitter, and instead of like buttons, they have the little heart buttons, and there's no hearts. No love on Twitter, huh? Man, I love cats. How's it going? Sup, bro? Here's a heart. What's up, Steven? You making money on Stellar? Yeah, XLM is pushing. She's over the 618 here. Makes you wonder how high these things are going to go. I guess if Bitcoin can push through 1K, that's gonna pull up XRP and DOGE, the heavy hitters. But yeah, it looks like we're in the bull market. Things are just starting to go straight up now. Not everything yet, but XLM, XRP. Yeah, it's just going up right now. There's no consolidation or anything at the moment. It's just moving. It's the same as the channel. Or you can go to the channel page and it's in the description on the top somewhere. Let me see. Just go to Twitter and you just type in the Crypto Undead. Yeah, I need to buy into XRP and XLM so they'll go down, so we can stop all this foolishness. But the official is at Crypto Undead 80. Got in a little late on Stellar, but it looks crazy bullish. Yes, it does. Music's not too loud, is it? Maybe everyone's sleeping because the music's too... Everyone's taking a nap. Usually we have 20 plus deck screener coins looked at, asked for, a whole bunch on here. It's just dead today. We looked at it a lot from the beginning, but that was it. 2 hours in, people will be showing up into the live stream after we done sat here and did nothing. Did Bonk really come back? Nah, I didn't. It's still holding up over the previous high. Unless it falls all the way back down in here and holds up higher lows and goes sideways again for a good while. Yeah, but how much higher is Bonk gonna go? 24 billion market cap, so 7x play. And there better returns out there now? What's your biggest meme bag? Me, none. Yeah, that's why I said I may end it here and then stream again tonight, like I did last night. A lot more people come in at nighttime. But yeah, Bonk didn't come back. Not yet, anyway. Is there anything else running or pushing? Yeah, it looks like a lot of things cooled off, got stuck and just sitting here. Yeah, I think we're going to end it here. That way the Bitcoin can hit 100K while we're not online. As soon as we end it, Bitcoin's going to start pushing up again. Yeah, XRP is cooking, or it was cooking. It still looks good. Guess I'll get off here and do some more updates on the channel and then set up a second live stream for the day for later on. Bone, I forgot about Bone. Jeez, what's going on with this? I don't know what that is. Blur. Oh yeah, I forgot about Blocktopia. Blocktopia goes to 0 forever. It's trying to curl up. If Blocktopia would ever do something, it'd be a good play. 618 retracement in a bull market to 25x. If that's the bottom. $10 Cardano. Think it can go that high? Our target, I think, is $6. Yeah, Cardano's bullish right now. This thing's pushing too. All the old heavy hitters are moving. Going straight up pretty much. But yeah, this is where I have it. 1272 new high at 6. And a 6.5x. If it goes higher, so be it. Maybe you get a 10x out of Cardano. But yeah, this is what we're looking for. Everything looks exactly like this, and they're starting to push. Some things faster than others. But yeah, XLM, XRP, Dogecoin, they're all still extremely bullish right now. Cardano here. Litecoin got stuck. Solana's trying to be bullish again. Solana about to break the high. Damn, Solana's about to break the previous high from 2021. It's right there. Damn, what did I type in? Yeah, XLM, as long as you're above 31 here, this thing's still running. There's nothing else to say on it. Just going vertical. Let me see on the monthly. Yeah, there's no other way about it. It's just bullish. Another 40% to the next big resistance, but it's been just blown right through every one of them. Trump putting regulation on crypto skis the limit, in my opinion. Did he say he's putting limits on regulations on crypto? BCH, yeah, we looked at Bitcoin Cash earlier. I'll go over it one more time, and then we're going to end the stream probably. There's no one here. Why do we have two different charts? Yeah, I think the other chart was better. Yeah, same thing with this one. We looked at it earlier. It's above the 786. It curled up from the bottom here. It looks good. As long as you're above the 786, it's gunning for where it got stuck the last two times. It's probably a better chart for this one. But that's really all you can do. As long as you're above that price there, you're good. Stuck right at the low to the high 618. So the price to beat right now is 503 on Bitcoin Cash. But yeah, I'm just like you. I didn't think XRP and XLM and I didn't think they would go vertical right now. Dogecoin. All right, we're going to end this. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. I appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. I'm going to try to live stream later, do a night stream again, get a bunch more people in here. Hopefully when I hang up here, we'll push through and all these things will keep pushing. The Muffin Man, how's it going? Welcome to the end. Oh yeah, someone said LCX earlier. Is LCX really doing something? Did it wake up? But I've been telling you guys, LCX is bottomed out finally. It's finally time to be bullish on it. It's going to start going up. Yeah. Over the 382, low to the high, hit the 618 down here. That was all she wrote. It's time to break through 14, 15 again. And once you do that, you're in real good shape. Even though you're making lower highs and lower lows, I think the bottom was put in here. People are disappointed with LCX though, so you may have a lot of sellers back at this 14 level, because everyone's going to see this big heavy resistance area for all these years. PNG, I think this is like the 4th time we've looked at it today. Yeah, she's trying to move up a little bit. We'll see what happens. 382-1414 at 30 is your price to beat. All right, almost 2 hours in. I appreciate everyone being here. Not a bad stream, but not a good stream either. No one really showed up. But just look out for the next one. It'll be, if it's not tonight, it'll be tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to get back on here tonight because I have nothing else to do. Just gonna go take a little break right now, and then I'll get back on. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. Let's get Bitcoin to 100K so we can finally get things rolling. As always, none of this is financial advice. Good luck, everyone. See you guys later. And with that said, peace out.